Hi, in this video we are going to see the free online 5 days short course which is conducting by the Indian Space Research Organization. So after successfully completion of this course, you are going to get the free certificate also. Here there is no registration fee, and to get the certificate also you need not to pay anything. And after successfully completion of the short course, that is 5 days short course, you are going to get the free certificate. And you must have the 70% of attendance in this short course, guys. And whatever the certificate you are going to get from the ISRO, it is so much valuable because all of you know that Indian Space Research Organization is a department of space under the government of India, and it will increase the weight of your resume. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. To get the complete details regarding this 5 days online free certificate short course, please watch the video until the end. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a official brochure released by the Indian Space Research Organization regarding the 5 days short course, guys. And first of all, we will see a 5 days short course on machine learning to deep learning, a journey for remote sensing data classification, and the duration July 5th to July 9th 2021. So a 5 days short course mainly on the machine learning to deep learning. So nowadays the machine learning is mostly prominent one. Okay, why? Because it is the most important language also. Okay, and here outreach program, IRS outreach program started in 2007. So 12 universities or institutions has grown substantially, and the beneficiaries of the program include central and state government organizations and research institutes, geospatial industries, and professionals and NGO. Okay, anyhow, and about the IERS program. So about the IERS program here they given, and IERS also conducts e-learning program on remote sensing and geoinformation science in this website, guys. If you want to get the details regarding this remote sensing and geoinformation science, then go to this website. Okay, and here the link is also provided. And while coming to this one, if you are having any queries regarding this 5 days online short course, then here the contact details are provided. So Dr. Anil Kumar, course coordinator and head PR ISD, telephone number as well as email ID is also provided. And the next one, Dr. Harish, okay, head GAT and DL department, telephone number and the mail ID is also provided. So whatever the queries you are having regarding this 5 days online short course, you may contact to them. And program coordinator contact number as well as email ID is also provided, guys. Okay, and coming to the course details, that means about the course. So main core utilization of remote sensing data is for the land use, land cover map generation. So further it has been tried to increase capability of remote sensing data to extract a single class of interest. Okay, so also to map the different stages within a given class and generate information about specific class of interest in time domain. So in today's scenario where various remote sensing sensors data is available, so it gives an opportunity to integrate these multiple sensor data to get the complete information. Fine. And we invite you to attend this 5 days short course on machine learning to deep learning, a journey for remote sensing data classification, and the short course is scheduled from June 1, 2020. Fine. And coming to the course content and schedule, you may check down. On 5th July 2021, so 4 to 5:30, remote sensing and its sensors of various resolutions, radiometry and geometric corrections and basic understanding of image. And on 6th July 2021, same 4 to 5:30, that means daily you will be having 1.5 hour of session, guys, that is 4 to 5:30. So basic classifier to machine learning, a journey. And 7th July, methods in machine learning and supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. And coming to the 8th July, fuzzy based machine learning with application in temporal data processing. And 9th July, network based learning algorithms, ANN to CNN. Right? And who are the target participants? That means who can attend for this one? Anyhow, it is a short course, guys. So the candidates, whatever the branch or specialization you belongs to, but if you are interested in machine learning, then you may attend to this session. Why? Because it is a free of cost. And the target participants, this short course is designed for professionals engaged in remote sensing data processing in different applications where they are extracting a specific class of interest and further wants to learn fuzzy machine or else the deep learning concepts. And the course study material. So whatever the lecture slides used and video recorded lectures and handouts of demonstration etc. will be made available through the IARS FTP link. And video lectures will also be uploaded on the YouTube channel. So here the YouTube channel of this ISRO is also provided here. So after completion of this course also you may watch the lectures in the YouTube channel. And while coming to the course fee, so there is no course fee for attending this program. Anybody can attend. And the course registration. So course updates and details will be available in this website, guys. All the participant has to register online through registration page available on the website. That means just click on this one and then you will be directed to the next web page where you can register for this course. Okay. So it is a web page, guys. So after directing to this one, just scroll down and here you will check down that 80-second course on machine learning to deep learning. A journey for remote sensing data classification, July 5th to 9th, and then click on this online registration form and then you will be directed to the online registration form where you have to fill up all your details for registration purpose of your of this 5 days course. Okay, so registration mean full name and email, so confirmation email, password, okay, and then retype your password and then click on the register, then you will be registered. And then it will ask you few more details. Okay, so just provide all the details and then your registration process will be completed. Fine. And here course brochure is there. So whatever the brochure we are watching right now, that is this one. And coming to the course schedule, the course schedule is also given in the brochure, but who are the resource persons? Okay, that one is mentioned here. So on which date, which topic, and by whom resource person the topic is going to be discussed. Fine. All those details are provided here, so you may check down. That is a way of course registration and award of certificate. All the participants who attend 70% of sessions of the course live via e-class portal will get the certificate, and the participants who attend the course sessions via IARS YouTube channel should mark their attendance via offline session available after 24 hours. So if you are watching in the e-class portal, then 70% of attendance, and if you are watching the videos in the IARS YouTube channel, then offline attendance they will take. So based upon that one, you are going to get the free certificate from the ISRO. And regarding the course funding and technical support, so program reception, individuals can attend the course live via any web browser through the e-class portal of IARS Dehradun. And here the live attending portal is also mentioned here. So it is the IARS website for attending the e-classes, and it is the YouTube channel of this one. Okay, the content of the workshop will be available offline after 24 hours in the e-class portal. Okay, so total these are the in details regarding this 5-day short course, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.